In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert video to audio in CapCut, whether you're looking to extract a soundtrack, save a speech, or repurpose audio from a video project. This tutorial will guide you through every step of the process. CapCut is a versatile and user-friendly video editing tool, and with just a few clicks, you can isolate the audio from your video and export it in a format that's compatible with almost any device. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from your App Store or official website. Once you're in, make sure your project workspace is ready to go. Next, import your video file into CapCut. This is the video that contains the audio you want to extract. To do this, simply locate your video file and drag it into the application. It's a straightforward process, and CapCut will recognize most common video formats. After importing, drag and drop the video file onto the timeline. This step ensures the video and audio appear as a visual waveform for editing. If you notice that the audio section displays as a flat line, it could mean that your video doesn't actually contain any audio. In that case, double-check your file or review the Properties panel to confirm. Once your file is properly placed on the timeline, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. This will open up your export settings where you'll fine-tune the process for extracting audio. In the export settings, select the audio option. This step switches the format from video export to audio-only export. It's important to make sure you're in the right mode here. So take an extra moment to confirm. Now, choose MP3 as your file format. MP3 is a widely supported universal audio format that works on almost any device. Alternatively, if you have specific requirements, you can also select WAV for higher quality or AAC for certain compatibility needs. Pick the format that best suits your project. After selecting the format, uncheck all other export options except for audio. This ensures you're exporting only the audio and not any video or subtitle components that might be part of the file. Just in case you're unsure or want to avoid errors, double-check this step to make sure you don't end up with a silent file or unnecessary video content. When everything looks good, click the Export button again to begin processing your file. Keep in mind that the length of your video and the performance of your device can affect how long this process takes, so be patient if it doesn't finish immediately. Once the export is complete, locate the exported MP3 file in your designated export folder. This is the final product, the audio extracted from your video, ready to be used however you need. And that's it. You've successfully converted a video file into an audio file using CapCut. You can now use this audio for podcasts, background music, or any other project you have in mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.